After 40 and 50, many people begin noticing the same frustrating problems almost every day. You finish eating, and instead of feeling satisfied, your stomach feels heavy. Your jeans feel tighter. You feel full too quickly. There is gas, bloating, pressure, and that uncomfortable feeling that food is just sitting there. For some people, it happens after dinner. For others, it starts first thing in the morning. And the strange part is that even when they try to eat less, the stomach still does not feel right. So most people do what they have been taught to do. They reach for antacids, digestion pills, expensive supplements, or another gut health product that promises to fix everything. But what if one of the simplest things for digestion has been sitting in your kitchen all along? Hold up one warm glass. Inside this glass is just 3 simple ingredients. Fennel seeds, a little lemon, a little honey. That is it. I drank the simple fennel, lemon, and honey water every day for 7 days. And by the end of that week, my stomach felt lighter, less bloated, less tight, and much calmer after meals. The surprising part was not that it worked overnight. It did not. The change was slow. But day by day, I noticed less heaviness, less gas, and smoother digestion. So stay until the end, because I am going to show you exactly how to make it, the best time to drink it, what happened day by day, and the one mistake that may stop it from working completely. Why digestion often changes after 40 and 50. Why the stomach starts feeling slower. If your stomach feels different than it used to, you are not imagining it. As we get older, digestion often slows down. The stomach may take longer to empty. The muscles in the digestive system may move food more slowly, and the body may produce less digestive acid and fewer digestive enzymes than before. That means food can stay in the stomach and intestines longer. And when food sits there too long, it may begin causing more gas, more bloating, more pressure, more constipation, more heaviness after meals, and that uncomfortable feeling that your stomach is stuck. Many people notice they cannot eat the same way they did in their 20s or 30s. A heavy dinner that once felt normal may now leave them uncomfortable for hours. Even healthy foods may suddenly seem harder to digest. Then there are the habits that make it even worse. Stress, poor sleep, eating too quickly, drinking too little water, years of processed foods, fried foods, sugar, and late-night meals. All of these can put extra pressure on the digestive system. Imagine your digestion like a slow-moving road. When traffic is moving well, everything passes through comfortably. But when the road becomes slower and more crowded, everything begins backing up. That is when you feel bloated, heavy, uncomfortable, and sometimes constipated. Sometimes the problem is not that you are eating too much. Sometimes your digestive system simply needs a little more support. And that is exactly where the simple drink may help. Why these 3 ingredients work so well together. Fennel seeds help relax the gut. The first ingredient is fennel seeds. These small seeds have been used for centuries after meals, especially when people feel bloated, heavy, or full of gas. There is a reason many restaurants serve fennel seeds after food. Fennel contains natural compounds that may help relax the muscles in the digestive tract. And when those muscles relax, trapped gas may move more easily. The stomach may feel less tight. The pressure may go down, and digestion may feel smoother and more comfortable. If your stomach often feels swollen after eating, fennel may help give the digestive system a chance to calm down. It is not magic, but sometimes when digestion feels slow and uncomfortable, the gut simply needs help relaxing. Lemon may help wake up digestion. The second ingredient is lemon. Lemon does more than improve the taste. For many people, lemon makes the drink feel lighter, fresher, and more refreshing. But it may also help wake up digestion, especially in the morning. Some people notice that warm lemon water helps them feel less sluggish and more comfortable after eating. That may be because the sour taste encourages the stomach and digestive system to become more active. If your stomach often feels slow, heavy, or lazy in the morning, the lemon in this drink may help it feel more awake, especially after a heavy dinner the night before. Honey helps calm and soften. The third ingredient is a small amount of honey. Only a little is needed. Honey makes the drink easier to enjoy and less bitter. But for some people, it may also help the stomach feel calmer and more soothed, especially if the stomach feels irritated or sensitive. The important thing is not to add too much, because too much honey may make bloating worse instead of better. Half a teaspoon is enough. Together, these 3 ingredients work in different ways. The fennel may help relax the gut, the lemon may help wake up digestion, and the honey may help soothe and soften. And when you combine them into one simple warm drink, you get something that may help your stomach feel lighter, calmer, and more comfortable again. The simple recipe. Now let me show you exactly how to make it. The good news is that you only need 4 simple things, and you may already have all of them in your kitchen. You need 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, 0.1 cup warm water, 0.1/2 teaspoon honey, a few drops of fresh lemon juice. That is it. The most important ingredient is the fennel seeds. But there is one small trick that makes a big difference. Before adding them to the water, crush them slightly. You do not need to turn them into powder. Just press them gently with the back of a spoon or crush them lightly between your fingers. That helps release more of the natural oils and compounds inside the fennel. Then add the fennel seeds to 1 cup of warm water. Not boiling hot, just warm, because if the water is too hot, it may reduce some of the delicate compounds in the fennel. Let the seeds sit in the warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. As they sit, the water may slowly change color and take on the smell of fennel. Then strain out the seeds. Now add just a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Not too much. You want the lemon to gently support the drink, not overpower it. Finally, add half a teaspoon of honey and stir. That small amount is enough to soften the flavor and make the drink much easier to enjoy. Take a sip while it is still warm. The taste is light, slightly sweet, slightly fresh, and very soothing. And remember, do not boil the fennel seeds hard for a long time. Gentle soaking or a very light simmer is enough. Because with this drink, simple is better. When to drink it? The best time for better digestion. The timing of this drink may make a big difference, because different stomach problems often happen at different times of the day. If your stomach feels heavy first thing in the morning, if you wake up feeling bloated, or if constipation is your biggest problem, then the best time to drink it is in the morning, on an empty stomach. That may help wake up digestion and help the stomach feel lighter before breakfast. But if your biggest problem happens after meals, especially after lunch or dinner, then drink it 20 to 30 minutes after eating. That is often when the gas, bloating, heaviness, and pressure begin. And that is exactly when this drink may help the most. For me, the best time was after dinner, because that was when my stomach usually felt the heaviest. Within about 20 minutes, I began noticing less tightness and less pressure. So choose the time that matches your biggest digestion problem. Morning for heaviness and constipation. After meals for bloating and gas. What happened after 7 days? Day 1, a slight difference. On the first day, I did not notice a miracle. But after dinner, my stomach felt a little calmer, a little less heavy. That uncomfortable tight feeling was still there, but it did not seem as strong. And for the first time in a while, I did not feel quite as uncomfortable after eating. Day 2, less gas and pressure. By the second day, I began noticing less gas, less tightness, less of that swollen feeling in my stomach. Usually after meals, my stomach would feel stretched and uncomfortable. But on day 2, it felt a little softer and lighter. Not perfect, just better. Day 3, the biggest change. The biggest difference came around day 3. That was when I realized I was not thinking about my stomach as much anymore. Normally after eating, I would feel bloated for hours. But on day 3, I noticed that heavy, uncomfortable feeling was much less. My stomach felt calmer. Food did not seem to just sit there. And I did not feel as full and uncomfortable after meals. Day 4 and 5, digestion felt smoother. By day 4 and 5, digestion seemed smoother. Food seemed to move through my stomach more comfortably. I did not feel as slow or heavy after eating. And I noticed something else. I was not reaching for antacids or digestion pills the way I usually did. That constant feeling of something is not right in my stomach was starting to fade. Day 6 and 7, a lighter, calmer stomach. By the end of the week, my stomach felt noticeably lighter, calmer, more comfortable. The bloating was less, the heaviness was less, and digestion felt more regular. The change was not dramatic overnight. It happened slowly, day by day. But by day 7, I could clearly feel the difference. And that is important because many natural remedies do not work instantly. They work gradually. The key is giving them enough time. The 5 mistakes that may stop it from working. 1. Drinking it only once. Many people try something one time and then say, "It didn't work." But natural remedies rarely work that way. One day is usually not enough. The stomach often needs several days to calm down and adjust. That is why this is a 7-day challenge, not a 1-day test. 2. Eating heavy foods all day. Even the best drink cannot overcome too much fried food, sugar, overeating, and heavy meals every single day. If you drink this, and then immediately eat greasy, heavy foods, you may not notice much difference. This drink works best when you also try to eat a little lighter and slower. 3. Using too many fennel seeds. Some people think, if 1 teaspoon helps, maybe 3 teaspoons will work even better. But more is not always better. Too much fennel may actually irritate the stomach and make you feel worse. 1 teaspoon is enough. 4. Adding too much honey. A little honey may help soothe the stomach, but too much honey may make bloating and gas worse, especially if your digestion is already sensitive. Half a teaspoon is enough. 5. Expecting it to cure serious problems. This drink may help support digestion, but it is not a cure for serious digestive disease. If you have severe stomach pain, vomiting, blood in the stool, sudden weight loss, or major digestive problems, do not rely only on this drink. Those symptoms need proper medical attention. Who should be careful? Before you try this drink, there are a few people who should be more careful. If you are allergic to fennel, celery, carrots, or similar plants, this drink may not be right for you. Because fennel belongs to the same plant family, some people may react to it with itching, rash, or stomach discomfort. You should also be careful if you have certain hormone-related conditions. Fennel may act a little like estrogen in the body, so if you have been told to avoid foods or herbs with estrogen-like effects, it is best to ask your doctor first. And if you have a serious digestive disease, this drink should not replace proper treatment. For example, severe acid reflux, stomach ulcers, gallbladder disease, irritable bowel syndrome that is getting worse, ongoing severe constipation or diarrhea. If your symptoms are strong, unusual, or keep getting worse, do not ignore them. Because while this drink may help support digestion, it is not a replacement for proper medical care. If your stomach has felt heavy, bloated, slow, tight, or uncomfortable, sometimes the answer is not another expensive supplement. Sometimes it is not another digestion pill. Sometimes it is something much simpler. 1 teaspoon of fennel, a little lemon, a little honey, 7 days. The goal is not perfection. The goal is simply helping your stomach feel a little lighter, a little calmer, and a little more comfortable every day. So tell me in the comments, would you try this tomorrow morning or after dinner? And if you want more simple home remedies for digestion after 40 and 50, subscribe and come back tomorrow.